Very warm welcome to all the parents who are present here, right? Today's project showcase of the ICSE program will give us all an insight and a preview into what students have been doing over the last 2 months, right? The ICSE program gives us an integrated experience to what our students have been learning. It also gives us and also helps children to develop their multiple intelligences along with their social and emotional skills. That is a very, very important part of our 21st century, right? Okay, Zara. He can watch it from the car only, no problem. Okay. Right? I think like students have been practicing over the last 3 weeks. Every ICSE class, they were so excited to practice their dance or their music or to show their artwork. I think today they all are really, really excited. Along with them, me also as their facilitator, I think I'm equally excited with them. I can see a lot of excitement on children's faces today. And I hope the parents are also looking forward to having a lot of fun and have some interaction with us. I would like to do a small check-in activity with all the students, all the audience and the parents present with us. Can you please close your eyes for a minute? Just relax, close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And imagine that you're attending an actual exhibition. An exhibition where all of the students' works are being displayed. You can see all of their colorful, wonderful work. You're taking a walk through the exhibition. There is a smile on all of your faces. What is the emotion that comes to your mind? What emotion or what thought is coming to your mind? Register happy. That emotion. Very good.
Happy.
Very good.
Okay.
Happy. Nice. Okay.
Happy.
Okay. Very good.
Excited.
Happy. Excited. Happy. Very good. I'm also feeling very excited. Very good.
Excited.
Okay. Very nice. Can I request maybe 1 or 2 parents to tell what emotion or what thought is coming to your mind? If you're comfortable. I can see a few parents behind the students. If you want to share what emotion. This is the first virtual showcase that we are having. I think there's a lot of uncertainty and a lot of questions in our mind as well.
Feeling delighted to see the output and performance of this.
Very nice. Delighted. I think that's a very nice emotion.
I think
yes, Diya. Yes, sir.
The great thing that I am anticipating is that I would be able to see so many kids at a go. So since last 1.5 years, we could not see many children together.
Yes,
so that is a great feeling.
Right. Yes. I think it's like, it is going to bring us all together as a school and as parents and students. We have this platform to come here, have a good time, also know what the reflection has been for students. So great. Children, are you all ready to begin the showcase and show your work to your parents, your friends and their parents? Very good. I can hear some cheers. Very good. Can we all clap for ourselves and your friends to show some cheer and excitement? Very good. Wonderful. Okay. So we are going to do this in the form of a story. Yes, children? You remember the dragon story we have been practicing? Okay. So I'm going to start the story. I hope all of you are ready with your work. There was once a little dragon living in a distant land. He was very confused about who he was. He often asked his parents, his mother and his father, who am I? And why am I like this? Where do I come from? He would feel things which he could not understand and then would ask his Papa Dragon, why do on some days I feel like jumping and dancing when I catch my favorite food? But on some days when my friends don't talk to me, I just want to eat ice cream and I don't want to talk to anyone. Don't we all feel like this, children? On some days, we are so excited, so happy. We want to keep jumping around. But on some days, we feel like, chalo, it's okay, let me be by myself. Right? Do we all feel this, don't we? Now, the dragon also feels the same way. He's also trying to understand who he is, where he comes from. Now, can we, through the former story, help the dragon understand himself? Yes? Okay, wonderful. The baby dragon had many questions running in his mind. Can I request all participants to please keep themselves on mute? Thank you. One evening, Mama and Papa Dragon decided to tell the baby dragon all about knowing himself better, about the big feelings, and know how all of us are unique in our own way. Mama Dragon explained to the little dragon that there are some things that you can think about to know yourself better. Now, can I invite Chahat? Chahat, can you tell us what the... Yes, continue please.
Hello friends, my name is Chahat. Today,
Yes, Chahat, tell us. What do you think the Mama Dragon told to the little dragon?
emotions.
Emotions. Can you tell what emotions?
By cube activity.
Can you show us your cube? Very nice. Can you explain it?
I dislike rank and bitter god.
Okay.
My favorite traveling is boating.
Okay.
I feel always happy to do traveling.
Okay.
I play outdoor games. And I love my family. Thank you.
Very nice, Chahat. Thank you so much. Can we clap for Chahat, everyone? I think she very nicely explained about herself, what her likes and her dislikes are. I just want to quickly check, is Advik here? I don't see his name. Advik, are you there? Okay, theek hai.
Ma'am, Advik is absent.
Okay, thank you. Now, can I request Manya to tell us what else do we need to know to understand ourselves better?
What's my favorite color and what's my favorite subject?
Yes,
Manya. Hello everyone. My favorite color is turquoise blue.
Wow.
And I like turquoise blue things. Like this camel.
Okay.
And my favorite subject is Hindi because I like the teacher and it is very fun learning Hindi. Thank you.
Wow, Manya, thank you so much. Manya told us which her favorite color is and she even showed us her toy. Isn't it a cute toy, children? Yes? Very nice, Manya. Thank you for sharing your favorite things with us. Next, the Papa Dragon asked him, why do you think it is important to know ourselves? Shrey, can you tell us why it is important to know ourselves?
My favorite time of the day is afternoon.
Because
with me in afternoon.
Okay.
My favorite food is chocolate cake.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thank you, Shreya, for sharing all of your favorite things with us and telling us that Knowing ourselves better helps us to communicate the same thing to others. Now, can I request Hara? Hara, are you there? Okay, ठीक है. Right? Now, so far, the dragon has learned about knowing himself better through understanding what his favorite food is, what his favorite subject is. Just the way you learn, the dragon is also learning about himself through all of these questions, right? So thank you for helping out the dragon. Let's continue. The evening was passing away, but the curious little dragon was excited to know about his big favorites. Papa Dragon thought to make it exciting and explained how different emotions look through drawings. We all know different emotions, children. We go through so many emotions on a daily basis. For example, right now in the beginning, we discussed what emotion we are feeling. A lot of us shared, we are happy, we are excited. Yes, Vansh.
Ma'am, we are excited.
Very good, Vanshika. Happy to know that you're excited. Okay, now can I ask Vanshika Oza to explain what happiness and surprise looks like?
This is what surprise looks like.
Wow, very nice, Vanshika. Lovely. That's a beautiful smiley. Can you show us surprise on your face as well? How does someone's face look? Yes, very nice. And when do you get surprised, Vanshika? Can you tell us one thing that makes you surprised?
When someone gives me a gift.
Wow, yes. I think all of us get surprised when someone gives us a gift, don't we, children? When our parents suddenly bring us a chocolate, or when our friends call us by surprise, we all feel happy and we all feel excited. Very good. Thank you, Vanshika. Now, can I ask Dhyana? Dhyana, can you show us what... Is Dhyana there? Yes. Dhyana, can you show us what anger looks like? Wow, that's such a well-made drawing. That is what angry looks like. Correct. And you're matching your shirt with your red color drawing. Very nice. Yes. Dhyana, can you tell us what...
Ma'am, who was entered?
Madhavan.
Someone was there
Okay.
like iPad.
Oh. Dhyana, can you share with us what makes you angry? Any one thing that makes you... Can you please repeat?
When my sister takes my stuff.
Okay, so Dhyana gets angry when sometimes her sister takes her toys and stuff. Okay, very nice. Thank you for sharing that. Next, can I ask Zara to show us what scared looks like? Oh, yes.
Scared.
Yes, correct. Zara, can you share what makes you feel scared? Any one thing that makes you feel scared?
I'm scared. When it is that, then I'm scared. When I am alone, then I'm scared.
Right.
And when doctor give me injection, then I'm scared.
Okay. So Zara has shared with us. Yes, scared. Very good. Correct. Very nice. Thank you so much. So far, we've seen so many emotions. We've seen surprise, we've seen anger, we have seen scared. All of us go through and face these emotions. Don't we, students? Yes, we do feel angry, we feel happy as well, isn't it? Right? Next, the Mama Dragon said, did you know that you can also dance your emotions? The baby dragon said, dance my emotions? How? He was so surprised. He was wondering, how can I show my emotions through dance? Now, we have here Naisha to show us a happy dance. Naisha, are you ready for the dance?
Ma'am?
Zara, can you hold on?
Yes.
Naisha is ready? Very good. Can we start the song, please?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Wow, very nice, Daisha. Thank you for showing us the dance. We all enjoyed the dance, students, didn't we? Yes, we all also felt like dancing along with her. Such a fun song, wasn't it, children? Yes, wonderful. Okay, now next, the Mama Dragon said that she dances when she's happy. When she's happy, she paints. Now, let us also look at what makes all of us happy. Let us look at what makes the students happy. Panvi, can you tell us what makes you happy?
A dance.
Dancing makes you happy?
Music.
Music.
And music.
Okay. Can you sing us the happy song?
Yes.
Yes. Please go ahead. I think the music can be started.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Very good. Thank you, Panvi. Thank you for showing us that wonderful fun dance. I think we all really enjoyed and we wanted to dance along with her.
Okay.
Vian? Is Vian there? Okay, I think Vian has left the meeting, is it? Okay. Now Vanshika N, Vanshika Nebhani.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanchita Nebhani.
Okay. Can you tell us how knowing our emotions help us in class, Vanshika?
Yes.
Yes.
There are so many
La Rudra.
emotions. I can be happy. I can be sad. I can be excited. I can be scared. You know, I am happy. I understand class. I am not happy. I don't understand class. I am happy girl. Thank you.
Very nice. I think she very nicely explained what are the various emotions that we feel. Very good. Thank you, Vanshika. Very nice. I can see that you're very happy after sharing it. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. I saw Vian was in the meeting. Is Vian's parent or someone here? No? Okay. Now the baby dragon asked, if I can dance my emotions, can I also sing them? Asked the baby dragon. The mama dragon said, well, yes, of course you can sing them. The mama dragon said. Now let us learn the emotion song that our students have learned. Priyansh, can you sing us the song?
Yes.
Yes, you can start.
I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Mommy gave me a candy.
Okay, very nice. So Priyansh tells
Thank
us,
you.
very good. Thank you, Priyansh. Priyansh tells us that his mother gave him a candy and that's what makes him happy. Next, can we ask Madhav to sing us the emotion song?
I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. I'm excited because I'm in the showcase.
Wow, very nice, Madhav. Very happy to know that you're excited because you're a part of the showcase. I think everyone here is excited to see each other perform. Yes? Aren't we excited for our classmates as well, children? Very good. Okay. Khushi,
Yes.
Khushi, can you also sing us the emotion song, what you have learned?
Good morning, everyone. I am singing a song. I am happy. I am
Okay.
happy. I am happy. I am very, very happy. Mommy gives me candy.
Very nice. Thank you, Khushi, for singing us that song. I think Rudra has just joined. Rudra, can you show us the dance, the happy dance that you have learned?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Are you ready? Can you stand up?
Yes.
Yes.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come back.
Thank you, Rudra, for showing us that fun dance. Thank you so much. Children? Yes, who's speaking? Vian, you have just come. Okay.
I am left.
Yes. You had left the meeting, I think, Hannah?
Yes, I joined in second class. That's why.
Oh, okay. All right.
You know what happiness.
Vian, are you ready?
Yes. Dance करवाना.
Can we start the song? Okay.
Into you because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Very good, Vian. Thank you so much. I think I could see during all the dances, some of the students were also dancing on the screen. And I was also feeling like dancing. Don't we all feel like dancing children when we hear such fun songs? Yes.
Ma'am, look my kindness jar I made. This is rabbit. When I do any kindness, then I will write on sheet and put in this.
Very nice, Vian. I think that's very sweet of you. That when you do kind things, that you want to do things for people. Very sweet of you. Very good. Okay.
And ma'am, I also have one of like those.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Now, when we all learn a new song, we all keep humming it, right? We all practice it. And when we learn a dance also, the entire day we feel like singing and practicing that. Yes, very nice. So the same way, the baby dragon was singing the song and was dancing along, right? And then the little dragon asked, Mama Dragon, which emotion is the bestest of all? The Mama Dragon smiled and said, they're all unique in their own way, just like you. Vivan, can you tell us what makes you unique?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Go ahead, tell us.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vivan Nidnani. Unique means different.
Very nice.
All fingers unique and different. I am also different and unique. I know a abacus. I am cute.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you.
Very nice. So Vivan says unique means being different from each other. All of us are different from each other. Like Vivan very rightly said, all our 5 fingers are also different. He said he knows abacus and he's very cute. And that makes him unique. Thank you, Vivan, for sharing that.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yes. Now the baby dragon was a little confused. He asked, but Mama Dragon, I look very similar to all the other dragons. How am I different? How is it possible that I'm unique? The Papa Dragon asked him to look at himself in the mirror and how different he looks from the other dragons. And then when the baby dragon looked at himself in the mirror, there was a wide smile spread across his face. And then he could think of all the things that made him very different and unique from all the other dragons. Dian, can you tell us what makes you unique and different from everyone else?
Different from others because I'm special.
Okay, very nice, Dian. Thank you.
I'm emotional, talkative, loving, and naughty. Can I sing a song for you?
You can.
I am Dian. I am special. I like swimming. I like dancing. I dislike homework. I dislike writing, and I am happy.
Wow, Dian, thank you so much for singing us that song and telling us what makes you different. Niansh, can you now share with us what makes you unique and different?
Hello, friends.
Hmm?
Morning. I am Niansh. Sunny. I have me chocolates. I'm happy.
Okay. Niansh, can you tell us what your drawing is?
Happy
Okay.
because Dad may give the cake.
Okay. Very nice.
Happy.
Very nice, Niansh. Niansh tells us he has drawn a happy face drawing and there are many things that make him unique. Huh?
Thank
Yeah, you're
Thank you,
welcome, Niansh. Thank you so much. Now, can we ask Havisha? Havisha,
Yes.
Havisha, can you tell us what makes you unique and different?
Me makes I am patient. I am patient. I am patient. We are special. There is nobody like me. There is nobody like me. There is nobody like me. We are so special. I am caring. I am loving. Caring and loving. Caring and loving. I am special. Thank you.
Very nice, Havisha. Thank you for singing us the song to tell us what makes you different from everyone else. Okay. Now, can we ask Paramveer? Paramveer?
I am special. I am special. I am special. We are special. I have different eyes. I have different footprints. Different nose. I am special. I am special. Like
Correct. Very good, Paramveer. Paramveer said, very nicely said, we all have different eyes, different nose, different footprints. Yes, children, agree with me? We all are different and unique from each other. Yes, very good. Now comes a question. Can two things be similar and still be different? Asked the little dragon. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show us through your drawing how two things can be same and still different?
Yes. This is how I make I placed my hand. I placed my hand to make drawing. For drawing, we can raise our hands for drawing.
Very good.
This is dinosaur and this is a bird.
Oh my God. So with hands itself, she has drawn two different animals. Isn't it nice, children? Hands are same, but the outcome drawing of it is different. Very good, Kavya. Now, can I just a second?
Thank you.
Now, can we ask Devam to show us how two things can be same but still different?
Ma'am, Devam left the school.
Devam left the school? Acha, okay. Very nice. Okay, so now so far, children, we have seen how the dragon can understand himself. Yes? Yes or no? Where is all the excitement? Yes, very nice. Good. So the dragon has learned what are his favorite things, what he likes to do. He has learned it through song, through art, through dance, and so many things. Now the baby dragon, next day, he went and told all of his friends about whatever he learned. The entire class listened to him with close attention. The little one was so proud of himself and danced on the emotion song. Can you all clap for yourselves and your classmates? Very good.